Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set Google Assistant as default for home button on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. And firstly, we just need to swipe up from the watch face to open settings. And after this, just search for the tab which is named Buttons and Gestures. And right in the first section, you can see the function for the home button. So, double press will open most recent apps, and press and hold will trigger Bixby. And let's change this press and hold one. Tap on it, and to trigger Google Assistant, you just need to tap on it to switch to it. And that's it. Now, when you will press and hold this upper button, it will trigger Google Assistant and you'll be able to ask it about anything. So let's ask about the weather. I'm gonna press and hold. What's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Prague 4, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 80.
And that's it. Now you know how to set Google Assistant as default for home button on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.